Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all fine. Today in this video we will talk about how much will it cost for health insurance in USA. Before we start the topic, if you not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get videos as soon as possible. So without wasting our time, let me start the video. How much will it cost? Understanding what insurance. Unfortunately, for most plans, in this not the only cost associated with the care you receive. There is also typically cost when you assess care. Such cost is captured by dedicated consumer and or copies. See definition below and represents the share you pay out of your own pocket when you receive care. As a general rule of thumb, the more you pay in premium upfront, the less you will pay when you assess care. The less you pay in premium, and the more you will pay when you assess care. The question for our students is, pay a large share now or pay a large share later. Either way, too, you will pay the cost of care you receive. We have taken the approach that is better to pay a large share in the upfront premium to minimize as much as possible costs that are increased at the time of service. The reason for our thinking is that we don't want any barrier to care, such as a high copay at the time of service to discourage students for getting care. We want students to access medical care where it's needed. Important insurance term and concept. Out of pocket expenses. The term out of pocket cost and or cost sharing refer to the project of your medical expenses you are responsible for paying when you actually receive health care. The monthly premium you pay for care is spread from these costs. Annual deductible. The annual deductible is amount you pay each plan year before the insurance company start paying its share of the cost. If the deductible is $2,000, then you would responsible for paying the first $2,000 in health care you receive each year, after which the insurance company would start paying its share. Company or copay. The copay is fixed upfront amount you pay each time you receive care when that care is subject to a copy. For example, a copy of $30 might be applicable for a doctor visit, after which the insurance company pick up the rest. Plan with higher premium generally have lower caps and vice versa. A plan that do not have copies typically use other methods of cost sharing. Uh, Annual out of pocket maximum. The annual out of pocket maximum is the most cost sharing you will be responsible for in a year. It is the total of your deductible copies and consumer, but does not include your premium. Once you hit this limit, to the insurance company will pick up 100% of your covered cost for the remembered of the plan year. Most enrolled never reach the out of the pocket limited, but it can happen if a lot of costly treatment of a serious accident of illness is needed. Plan with higher premium generally have lower out of pocket limits.